You understand English when you read it, but you can't describe your day when someone asks. This lesson is for beginner English learners who want to talk about daily life naturally. Today, you'll learn how to share your daily habits and routines in simple English. Miss these phrases and you'll stay silent when people ask about your life. So, Brian, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Good start, but let's add more. Say this: I wake up at 7 every morning.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
Perfect. Every morning makes it sound more natural. Practice. Say, I wake up at 7 every morning.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
Excellent. Say it again.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
Listeners, your turn. Say it with us. I wake up at 7 every morning.
What about you, Emily? When do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Usually. What does that mean?
It means most days, but not every day. Sometimes I wake up earlier or later.
Oh, so it's not exactly the same every time.
Right. We use usually for habits that happen often. I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I always drink coffee, every single day.
Always means every time, no exceptions. Usually means most times.
Got it. So I always eat breakfast, but I usually eat eggs.
Perfect example. What else do you do in the morning?
After breakfast, I brush my teeth.
Good. Practice. Say, I brush my teeth after breakfast.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Nice. Say it again.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Listeners, repeat with us. I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Then I take a shower.
See, you're describing your routine. Keep going.
I get dressed and go to work.
Excellent. Those are all daily habits. Let me ask you something different. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I go to the gym.
Sometimes. That's another good word. It means not often, maybe once or twice a week.
Yeah, maybe twice a week. Not every day, like you probably do.
Actually, I exercise 3 times a week. I go running on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
That's specific.
Being specific helps. You can say every day, 3 times a week, or on weekends.
I usually work from 9 to 5.
From 9 to 5. Good. Practice. Say, I work from 9 to 5.
I work from 9 to 5.
Perfect. Say it again.
I work from 9 to 5.
Listeners, now you try. Say the whole sentence.
What do you do after work, Emily?
I usually cook dinner at home.
I never cook.
Never? Really?
Well, almost never. Maybe once a month. I usually order food or eat out.
Eat out means eat at restaurants. That's useful. I sometimes eat out on weekends.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7. What about you?
I eat dinner at 6:30.
So we have similar schedules. Do you watch TV at night?
Yeah, I always watch TV before bed.
Before bed. That's a good phrase. Practice. Say, I watch TV before bed.
I watch TV before bed.
Excellent. Say it again.
I watch TV before bed.
Listeners, repeat with us. I watch TV before bed.
I also check my phone a lot.
Me too. I check my phone throughout the day.
Throughout the day?
It means during the whole day, many times.
Oh, yeah, I do that too.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11.
That's pretty late. I go to bed at 10.
I try to sleep 8 hours, but sometimes I only sleep 6.
Sleep is important. Let's review everything. We talked about wake up, eat breakfast, brush teeth, take a shower, go to work, eat dinner, and go to bed.
And we learned usually, always, sometimes, and never.
Right. Those words help describe how often you do things. Always is most. Never is 0.
Usually is like 80%. Sometimes is like 30%.
Exactly. Now you can talk about your whole day in English.
It's easier than I thought.
You just need the right words. Start simple. I wake up. I eat. I work. I sleep.
Then add details later.
Perfect. So here's my question for you. What time do you wake up, and what's the first thing you do? Tell us your morning routine in the comments. We read every one. And if you want more simple English practice, subscribe. We make new lessons every week.
Practice a little every day.
See you in the next lesson.